Every creator, coach, or entrepreneur faces this moment. That quiet, persistent voice that whispers, "Who am I to teach? Who am I to speak?" If you've ever felt that, know this: you are not alone. In fact, that doubt is the clearest sign that you care about delivering real value. It means you have integrity, not insecurity. The truth is, nobody starts out feeling ready. Readiness isn't something you wait for, it's something you build through action. Every successful creator you admire once stood exactly where you are right now, full of ideas but haunted by self-doubt. The difference is, they started anyway. The reason we hesitate isn't because we lack skill, it's because we fear judgment. We imagine people asking, "Who does this person think they are?" But here's the reality. Most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to judge yours. And the few who do, they're not your audience. You don't need to be the world's top expert to teach. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. That's it. People don't want perfection. They want relatability. They want someone who's just a bit further down the road, showing them it's possible. Think of it this way. When you share what you've learned, you shorten someone else's learning curve. You save them months or even years of confusion. That's not arrogance. That's contribution. The biggest myth about confidence is that it comes first. In truth, confidence is the result of taking action, not the requirement. The first video, the first post, the first course, they'll always feel messy. But once you start, you'll realize that progress feels far better than perfection ever could. And remember, your voice carries power that data can't replicate. Your story, your struggles, your lessons, those are the things that connect. When you speak from experience, you give others permission to believe in themselves too. So the next time that voice whispers, "Who am I to teach?" answer it with this: I'm someone who's willing to help. I'm someone who's learned something valuable. I'm someone who's brave enough to start. Because the world doesn't need more experts, it needs more examples. And your journey, imperfect as it may be, could be the exact story that inspires someone else to begin theirs. Start before you feel ready. Speak before you think you're qualified. And teach not because you know everything, but because you care enough to share what you know. That's how every creator begins. That's how you begin.